Types of fire, extinguishers, and their uses. Every year, fire departments across the U.S. respond to over 1.39 million fires. And here's the shocking part. Using the wrong fire extinguisher can make a fire worse or even deadly. So today, you'll learn types of fire extinguishers and which extinguisher to grab, and which to avoid for each type of fire. Number 1. Water extinguishers. These fire extinguishers are identified by a red label or red color band. They are used for wood, paper, and cloth fires, but never, I repeat, never use water on electrical, flammable liquid, or metal fires. It can spread the flames, cause electrocution, or even lead to a violent explosion if used on molten metal. Number 2. Foam extinguishers. These fire extinguishers are identified by a cream-colored label or cream color band. They are used for petrol, diesel, paint, wood, and paper, but never on live electrical equipment. They create a thick blanket over burning liquids, cutting off oxygen. You'll find them in garages, fuel storage areas, and workshops. Great for petrol spills, but avoid using foam on live electrical equipment unless it's been specifically tested for it. Number 3. Dry chemical powder or ABC extinguishers. These fire extinguishers are identified by a blue label or blue color band. They are used for flammable liquids, flammable gases, and electrical fires. The downside? The powder can be corrosive, damaging sensitive electronics, and it creates a massive dust cloud that reduces visibility. Number 4. Carbon dioxide or CO2 extinguishers. These fire extinguishers are identified by a black label or black color band. They are best for electrical fires and flammable liquids, but not for wood or paper fires. They displace oxygen, leaving no residue. Perfect for server rooms and offices. Critical safety tip: do not touch the discharge horn. It gets as cold as -79 degrees Celsius and can cause severe frostbite. Number 5. Wet chemical extinguishers. These fire extinguishers are identified by a yellow label or yellow color band. They are used for cooking oils and fats commonly found in deep fat fryers and commercial kitchens. These fires can spread in seconds if handled incorrectly. And remember, never use water on a cooking oil fire. Water instantly turns into steam, violently spreading the burning oil and creating a dangerous fireball. Number 6. Class D fire extinguishers. These fire extinguishers are specially designed for combustible metal fires involving metals like magnesium, titanium, and lithium. Class D extinguishers are usually identified with special labels for combustible metal fires, although the color code may vary depending on the country or manufacturer. Using water or standard extinguishers on these fires can make them more dangerous and even cause explosions. Class D extinguishers use a special dry powder to smother the fire and absorb heat safely. They are commonly used in laboratories, factories, and metalworking areas. Using the wrong fire extinguisher can turn a small fire into a deadly disaster. Know the color, know the class, know the risk.